Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to design a monogram logo, using the Shape Builder tool and Line Segment tool. Make sure watch to until the end of the video, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comment section. So let's get started. Select the Line Segment tool. Hold Shift and draw a line from here. Now select this. Hold Alt and drag to create a copy. Now I will generate automatically other copies by clicking Ctrl+D many times. Hold Alt and make some longer. Now select all, and press Ctrl+C to copy, and Ctrl+F to front paste. Hold the Shift and rotate it. Like this. After that, select the Ellipse tool. Zoom in. And draw a circle from this anchor point to this anchor point. Like this. OK. Now select this, and press Ctrl+C and Ctrl+F. Hold Alt and Shift and intersect with this line. Do this in the same way. OK. After that, select all, and go to the Shape Builder tool. Select a color from here. After that, click and drag to join these parts. Zoom in, and join every small part carefully. Hold the spacebar, so you can move the artboard. OK. After that, hold Shift, and select this 2 shape and drag it out. Select these extra parts, and press Delete. After that select all, and turn off the stoke color from here. OK, our logo design is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.